Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another quick video. It is Tuesday, August 22nd. I leave for Greece in like 3 days. I leave on Friday, so this is going to be a quick video. It's a commissioned piece for a client. But before I get to that, I wanted to show you guys not only the dried, but the resined and finished results of one of the pieces from the R and the C and the ampersand that I did for Kathleen and Rick for their wedding. It's done. The sides are all resined. The back is clean and black, and these are done. I'm so glad they're finished because now I can pack them up and ship them out and get them to Kathleen in time for the wedding. I can't wait. So that's that. I also, maybe I should show you something else I've been working on. I've already done a video for it. Let me grab it. And because I've already done a video on it, I didn't feel the need to do a video again because there's no point. But I did have another commission I had to do, and that is finally finished. So another one of my pour away fluid art stencils. And I used my TLP, this little pigment, piggies, and I did another one of these. I think this is the third one I've done. So this is the third piece like this that I have done. People really seem to love that. And that's it. That's all I have to show you. To tell you, don't forget, Massey Art Studio, Lee and Jeremy, and myself are going to be doing a small little intimate workshop in Dallas, Texas. That's happening October 27th and the 28th. If you are interested in coming to Dallas, Texas and taking classes with us in person at the Renaissance Hotel, you can email us at fluidartwithfriends@gmail.com and you can get all the information. There's a limited spots of 25 people per class. And there's 4 classes available to choose from. You can choose 1, you can choose 3, you can choose all 4. If you do choose all 4, there is a $100 discount. But yeah, if you want all that information, dates, times, what kind of classes are offered and all that, fluidartwithfriends@gmail.com. Okay, and we have already sold out 50% of the seats. So we are already 50% sold out. So if you want to come and join us, don't delay. All right. Today, I'm doing this is a little small 10 by 20 inch canvas, okay, and my client saw, okay, can't remember if it's video 350, yes, it's got to be 350 or 358, because she's ordered 2 commissions. My next video is going to be the other one, but I'm pretty sure this is from video 350, yes, it's got to be 350, and so she loved it, and she wanted me to do the same thing. Now, the difference between that video and this video is in that old video, I was using the Artist Loft, this horrible flow acrylic. Hold on. I don't even want to show this to you guys because I refuse to use it, but I still have a bottle of it. But this stuff is horrible. The new soft body stuff is no good. People still ask me to this date if I use it, and I say no. I will never use it ever again. Why? Because the white paint ate up all the colors. It would just suck everything in and you would lose all your beautiful colors. And in that video, 350, that is what it did. The white paint ended up just eating up all the colors. So that video and this video, even though I'm using the same colors, the outcome is gonna be very different because my white base that I'm using is Titanium White by Amsterdam. Okay, so I'm going to be using Titanium White by Amsterdam. The colors I'm going to be using are Greenish Blue by Amsterdam, Iridescent Orange Yellow by Pebeo. Then we have Luminous Rose by Holbein. Then Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft, followed by Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue by Liquitex Basics. And I never ever use Artist Loft or Liquitex Basics anymore, but I'm sticking to the colors I used in that video, so I have to bring out the old colors and the old brands. And then Winsor Violet by Winsor Noon. So those are my colors. Now, these two, Artist Loft and Liquitex Basics, are so old. They have been in these bottles, the paint, for years, and they are still fine. I did not have to water them down. They did not thicken up on me. They're perfectly fine. Why, you ask? Well, because they're in my amazing Lolivefe bottles. So these Lolivefe bottles are airtight, perfect. I've never had an issue with my paints drying up or anything like that. So if you don't know anything about Lolivefe, you can go to their website. All the information is listed in the description below the video, and you can get a 10% discount on their entire website using code Kanella10. But I love these bottles because, like, I mean, even years later, I'm still using them. If you want to know how I mix my paints, I mix them with water and Floetrol, and the ratios for different brands and all of that you'll find in a tutorial in video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. Video 434 on my YouTube channel is a full tutorial on how I mix my paints for this blowout technique. All right, I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas flooded, bubbles have been popped with the torch. Because this is a small canvas, it is going to be a simple little wispy design. So keeping it the same design as the video from, I don't even know, a couple of years ago. So keeping it the same, because that's what my client wants. All right, so I saw your comments from my last video, and a lot of you are interested in seeing videos and blog and pictures and whatnot while I'm in Greece. So I will definitely keep you guys posted with my travels and what I'm up to, and show you the beautiful beaches and, you know, the mountains and the villages where I'll be staying and with my family and whatever, whatnot. So that should be an interesting blog for you guys to watch for sure. Oh, these colors. All right. And then that video that I was mentioning about from Vegas, from PourCon, that went viral. It is now up to, oh gosh, what's it up to? 66 million, 67 million views, something like that, on Facebook. And then I posted it on Instagram, and now it's going viral on Instagram too. So on Instagram, it's at like almost 11 million views, which is really cool. But man, the hate comments, it's so bad, which I don't care. But boy, people are so angry with the world. Why people gotta hate art so much? What are you gonna do? I find it comical and hysterical. But anywho, all right, colors down. Let's blow this out and see what happens. I'm super excited. Let's do it. No, can't do it. I'm not plugged in. I'm not plugged in. Hold, please. All right, now let's go. It's so colorful. Wow. And the white is not eating up my colors. This is my favorite part. Look at the cells. And I love this chunk right in here. Even though it's like this straight line, when I bring you guys in for a close-up, this beautiful rainbow of colors. Wait till you see it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm loving the rainbow colors. Taste the rainbow. Isn't that Skittles? Yes, Skittles. Taste the rainbow. Well, that's a rainbow for you. Let me fix up my edges and I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody, before I show you the close-up, don't forget to take a stick, any kind of stick or whatever, and you want to scrape the drips. Super important, okay? Scrape the drips, do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and then a 3rd time, and you should be good to go. Now, check out this wonderful world of Willy Wonka color. Oh, I love Willy Wonka. And even though it's a big chocolate factory, but Willy Wonka definitely had a lot of colorful things in that movie. But anywho, Skittles, taste the rainbow, colors, rainbows, call it what you want. I think it's beautiful. It's pretty. Let's check it out with the flash on. All right, so I've got the flash on, and the only 2 colors in here that were like shimmery was the metallic cobalt blue, which is right there. You can definitely see the shimmer. And then the iridescent, oh, don't go too close. The iridescent orange yellow by Pebeo. So considering there was only 2 out of the 6 colors, I'd say it's definitely got some shimmer. Super pretty. And there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And that's it. I've got so much to do in the next 3 days. But yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget Dallas, Texas, October 27th and 28th. If you want information, email us at fluidartwithfriends@gmail.com. Oh, I wanted to show you something. Hold on. These are there's that commission I did, the diptych. So do you remember? These are pieces of that big painting myself, Shelly, and Lisa were laying on at PourCon, where Simon Bull poured paint all over us. And remember, I said someone cut it up and there was like 400 pieces of it, and it was distributed to everyone who attended PourCon. I have some extras here. I'm gonna make a collage out of them. But I managed to get some 6x6 inch frames and I framed them. I've got one upstairs, but I think it's pretty cool because it's a little memento of not only the, amazing experience of getting to be poured on, in front of a crowd of over 300 people and by Simon Bull, and doing it with my fellow artists, Shelly and Lisa. But now it's also a little extra special because it's gone viral on social media. So it's kind of cool. I'm super stoked about that, and I think it's really cool. But yeah, okay, back over here. There's the R and the C and the ampersand. Got to sign, got to get those done and shipped out. That's it. I'm babbling now. Sorry, folks. Anywho, until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.